Codes BCD arithmetic, BCD addition. In BCD addition, we have to deal with three different situations. Assume that the 2-bit BCD numbers A and B are being added. Then three cases can be considered. The first case is sum is equal or less than 9 and carry generated is 0. Case 2 is sum is greater than 9, carry generated is 0. And case 3 is sum is less than or equal to 9. So like this only. Sum is less than or equal to 9. Sum is less than or equal to 9. For here, in this, the carry generated is 0. For case number 3, the carry generated is 1. Only difference is this part. So case number 1, sum is equal to or less than 9. And your carry generated is 0. My final carry generated is 0. So if the sum is less than or equal to 9 with the final carry equal to 0, then the sum is a proper BCD form and requires no correction. We don't require any correction. So for example, addition of 2 to the base 10 and 6 to the base 10 in BCD, decimal number 2 will be what? See, 8, 4, 2, 1. You want 2, so put 1 over here. 0, 0, 0. So this is the BCD equivalent. And 6. For 6, it will be 2 plus 4 is 6. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1 and 1. This corresponds to 8. From 0 to 9, you have all valid BCD. So 8 is a valid BCD. And the final carry is 0. So we say that 2 raised to the base 10 plus 6 to the base 10 is equal to 8 to the base 10. And we say that the sum is a valid BCD number and the final carry generated is 0. So case 1 is when the sum is less than or equal to 9 with the final carry equal to 0. Case 2. Sum is greater than 9 but the carry generated is 0. Sum is what? Greater than 9 but carry generated is 0. So what we have to do? In this case, the sum of the two BCD numbers is greater than 9. That means it is an invalid BCD. First thing is that from 0 to 9 you have valid BCD numbers. This is what? Valid BCD. Greater than 9 is invalid BCD. So you need some correction. So we have to correct the sum by adding decimal number 6. Now decimal number 6 is what? Equivalent is 8, 4, 2, 1. 2 and 4, I will put 1 and 1, 0 and 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0 is the decimal number 6 or BCD 0, 1, 1, 0 to it. After doing this, we get the correct BCD sum. So example is 7 and 6. 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 and carry 1 and here 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1 is greater than 9. So it is what? It is an invalid BCD with a carry 0. So you need a correction factor. So 1, 1, 0, 1. We will correct it by adding 6. 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So this will be 1 and this corresponds to 3. So final answer will be 13 to the base 10. So 7 to the base 10 plus 6 to the base 10 is 13 to the base 10. Case 3 is sum is less than or equal to 9 but the carry is 1. So what is the twist? Case 1 was sum is less than or equal to 9 but carry is 0. Case 3 is that the carry is 1. Here the sum of the two BCD numbers is less than or equal to 9. That means it is a valid BCD. But the problem is that the final carry is 1. A non-zero carry indicates that the answer is wrong and needs correction. So add 6 to the base 10 or 0, 1, 1, 0 BCD to the sum to correct the answer. So for example, 9 and 8. 9 is 1 0 0 1 BCD for 9. BCD for 8 is 1 0 0 0. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, and carry is 1. So when carry is 1, answer becomes incorrect though the BCD is correct. Why is the BCD correct? Because this corresponds to 1 and 1 is between 0 to 9. So it is a valid BCD, but because the final carry is 1, it becomes an invalid BCD. So to correct this, what we do? We write 1 in terms of BCD, that is 0 0 0 1, and this also we copy as it is, and we add the correction factor 6. So 6 is 0 1 1 0, 0 0 0 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. So we get this is equivalent to 1, and this BCD is equivalent to 7. So we get 9 to the base 10 plus 8 to the base 10 is 17 to the base 10. So what is the summary of BCD addition? The BCD addition, add two numbers A and B. If the sum is less than equal to 9 and the carry is 0. If the sum is what? Sum is less than equal to 9, carry generated is 0. That means the answer is correct and we require no correction. If the sum is less than 9 and the carry is 1. Now because of this carry 1, answer becomes incorrect and we require a correction factor, that is 6 to the base 10 or 0 1 1 0. We have to add that to the sum. If the final carry generated is 1. If the sum is greater than 9, that means the BCD is only invalid in this case. In this case, the BCD is only invalid. If the BCD is only invalid, then though the carry is 0, we have to add the correction 6. So two cases where the correction 6 has to be added. One case is BCD is valid. BCD is what? BCD is valid, but the carry generated is 1. Then you add correction 6. And the second case is BCD is only invalid. BCD is only invalid because the sum is greater than 9. Then also you have to add the correction 6 to 8. So this is the summary of the BCD addition.